Hey everyone, I have you absolutely covered for your backyard barbecue. Our bamboo beverage tub and so much more. So it starts off as a beverage tub. Of course, we did the lid with a removable tray. Helper handles here right on the side. We've mixed the pattern for you and your old world and your floral lace. And then let's talk about the 6 cups that are inside, the 6 bowls that are inside, and the 6 plates that are inside. Perfect for that backyard barbecue. And as I mentioned, all bamboo, so it all goes right in the dishwasher top rack. You're gonna wanna wash that tub. Look what we did here. We already set it out with our hot dogs. We have everybody coming, our families here. We're gonna be loving it. We have our beverage here. Everybody can help themselves. And then of course that beverage tub we filled with, of course, ice to keep it nice and cold. So everything you can possibly need, your cold salads, everything. And the best part of it all is when you're done with it for the season or you just wanna put it away for the day, everything's gonna nest right down inside this amazing tub.